Hello, I'm a bit too far on my hello. So moving around my merch a little bit, you can already see there I've moved those already. I'm mostly just moving the stuff here, changing up a little bit. I leave everything in the cubes. That's the plan. Just gonna be another short video of me once again moving around things. I'm gonna have to move these all around again in like a month because I bought so much stuff off Coco Dive. So there'll be another video in a month. This should be like a monthly thing where I just change my merch around. Also, thank you so much for 400 subscribers. I feel like it jumped so quickly from 300 to 400 like in such a short amount of time. So thank you for anyone new here. My name is Kira, it's not Kyra. If anyone is thinking it's that, it's Kira. I'm 20 and I'm Irish and I clearly love BTS. Enjoy another merch move video.